In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text overlay on image in Elementor. We'll walk through a simple way to place text directly on top of an image using the Elementor page builder in WordPress. This is a great technique for hero banners, call to action sections, or any design where you want words and visuals to work together in one clean block. First, open any page in the Elementor editor. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by going to the page you want to edit and clicking the option to edit with Elementor. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your page in the main area with the Elementor panel on the left. On the left panel, you'll see a list of widgets and layout elements. What we want to start with is a container. This container will hold both your background image and the text on top of it. Drag the container widget onto your page where you want the image and text overlay to appear. Once you drop it in place, make sure the container is selected so its settings appear in the left panel. Now let's set the image as the background of this container. In the container settings, switch from the Content tab to the Style tab. Under the Background section, you'll see options for background type. Click the classic icon, which looks like a simple paint or image option. This will reveal an image field. Click on the image box or the Choose Image button, and a pop-up will appear with your media library. From here, you can either select an existing image from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. Choose the image you want to use, then confirm your selection by clicking the button at the bottom right of the pop-up. You should now see your image appear as the background of the container on the main preview area. Next, let's add the text overlay. Inside the container, click the plus icon to add a new element. This tells Elementor you want to place content inside that container. Back on the left panel, search for either the heading widget or the text editor widget, depending on whether you want a simple title or a longer text block. Drag your chosen widget into the container on top of the image. With the text widget selected, edit the content to say whatever you want as your overlay. You can adjust the text color, size, alignment, and typography so that it stands out clearly against the background image. If the text is hard to read, consider darkening the image slightly in the container's style settings, or adding a subtle overlay color using the background overlay options. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the image and text combination, don't forget to save your work. Go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new page. After it finishes saving, you can preview the page to see your text overlay on the image live on your site. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a text overlay on an image in Elementor using a container, a background image, and a simple text widget.